And children, we have seen the algebraic expressions. What are algebraic expressions? The expressions which contain the variables. Okay, variables, and in this variable there will be, in this expression there will be variables will be there, numericals, numbers will be there, isn't it? Then the basic operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, everything all together we call as algebraic expressions. Okay, everything will be there. In an expression there will be multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, then the variables and the numerals. Okay, and it contains the variables, that is why it is called algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expression, what are the things will be there? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then the variables. Variables means the English alphabets, then the numbers, the mixture of everything. It is called an algebraic expression. Okay, so let us see some such expressions. In the last chapter, we have studied the mensuration, right? So that is the perimeter of rectangle, area of rectangle, perimeter of square, area of square, isn't it? So these things we studied in the last chapter. Let us see that. What was the perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle was perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus this is what we studied, right? Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Length, instead of writing length L-E-N-G-T-H, instead of that we can write here L only, L. When we see the letter L, we should understand it is the length of that rectangle, right? Then instead of breadth, we can write the first alphabet, that is B. Okay, so length, the first alphabet is L, and the breadth, the first alphabet is B. So let us write, instead of writing length and breadth, let us use the letters L and B. Instead of length, let us use L, and instead of breadth, let us use B. So how will you write this formula? So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into, instead of length, what are we going to write? L, plus breadth, instead of breadth, what will you write? B. So what is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. What is L? That is length. What is B? That is breadth. Okay, instead of writing the whole thing, let us write using the variable. These are variables. These are variables. This alphabet L and B are variables in this expression. It is an expression. It is an algebraic expression, right? Why? Because it contains numeral 2 is there. Then no symbol is there, no sign is there. That means it is into. Multiplication is here, right? See here, addition is there, and variable is there. L and B are variables, and addition sign is here. Then multiplication sign is here. Then the numeral 2 is there. So everything together we can call it as an algebraic expression. The formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is an algebraic expression. Is an example what we studied in the last chapter. That is the example of algebraic expression, 2 into L plus B, perimeter of rectangle. So let us write the formula to find an algebraic expression to find the area of rectangle. What was the area of rectangle you studied? That is area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to, you studied length into breadth. Length into breadth. So we can use, instead of writing length, the whole thing, length L-E-N-G-T-H, instead of that what will you write? L, only the first alphabet, that is L into, what is the first alphabet of bread? B. Let us write B. So what is the formula to write area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. It is an algebraic expression because in this there are variables. L and B are variables. Okay, and there is a symbol, there is a sign, multiplication sign. So multiplication is there. So it is an algebraic expression. Okay, so L into B is an algebraic expression. Okay, next, perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. What did you study? Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. 4 into side. 4 into side. So, no need to write side fully. S-I-D-E. Instead of that, what can we write? We can write 4 into S. What is the meaning of S? S is the side of the rectangle. Right? So, instead of that, you can write the variable, only one variable, that is the first letter of side, that is S. Okay. So, what is this 4 into S? It is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression. Why? Because in this expression, there is a numeral 4. Okay. Then, there is a sign, basic operations. What is this? Multiplication operation is there, then variable is there, S. So, perimeter of a square is 4 into S. Then, what is area of a square? Let us write area of a square. Area of a square is equal to, you studied side into side. Side into side. It was a formula you studied in the last lesson. Okay, that is area of a square, side into side. So instead of writing side, what can you write? Only use the first letters, that is S into S. What is S? Side of the square, right? So area of a square is equal to S into S, that is side into side, S into S. This is also an algebraic expression. Why? Because there are variables and there is an operation multiplication. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the meaning of an algebraic expression. So in an algebraic expression, there will be variables. Variables means the English alphabets. A2 is any alphabet you can use. Okay. Then what else will be there? Addition sign can be there. Multiplication sign can be there. Subtraction, division, then numerals. Numbers also can be included in this. So this type of expressions are called algebraic expression. Now in the next section, we are going to see some such type of expressions, algebraic expressions. Okay.